No effort at all. No effort at all. No effort at all. Stop what? I'm singing. You're supposed to pick up. She's actually like one of the wickedest DJs, isn't she?
No.
You're not?
No.
She's lying. She's absolutely superb. Gabriel,
What?
who's the best baby sister? You? You're not the best baby sister?
No.
I look like Wolverine. I keep on saying I need to shave and I'm not shaving. I look like Wolverine, don't? Like X-Men. X-Men, you know what I mean? Say hi. Why you not saying hi? Say hi and I buy you ice cream. I buy you ice cream if you say hi.
No.
You don't want ice cream? She want the ice cream, you know, she just go on like she know what the ice cream. You know what the ice cream? Yeah, big like. No effort at all.